Many customers want integration with DHL, FedEx, or UPS to send the shipment, receive a tracking number, and receive a label. The challenge is that each of them have their own integration standards. Our CEP Connector is a turnkey solution, making this integration a breeze. Customers can download the connector and import the package into the data platform. It will import some profiles, constants, and partner channels, and everything else you need to set up the integration. Now you can configure it whether you want to use this as a test environment or productive environment. Our CEP Connector supports both. The partner channels are imported and configured initially. The connector comes with a set of template profiles. These templates are there to show you how to use the connector to, for example, send a transport order or receive an acknowledgement. If we now open up this particular profile, you'll see in this case it's a data routing profile. We can use it to manually load some dummy data for testing. In Phase 3, you see how it works. On the left-hand side, you can put your own data structure, and on the right-hand side, there is our CEP Connector data model. This contains the headers and the shipments. You can map your own information into this model. As soon as you've done the mapping, it will work for all the different CEP providers that we support. The rest of the profile is already pre-configured for you to use directly. All you have to do now is configure the channels with their API credentials. In this case, we're doing for DHL Express. We have a testing ID that we put in here together with a password, and then once we have this, we can run it. A typical customer uses this connector to map their own data structure of our generic CEP data model, after which they can connect with DHL, FedEx, and UPS transparently. This also works the other way around when receiving, for example, a tracking number back. The only thing you have to do as a customer is download and import the connector, put in your API key, and map your data structure to the generic model. This is how easy it is to work with an integration platform which has supply chain capabilities.